Ayun guys, so welcome dito sa ating day 1 ng 5-day Facebook Ads Challenge. I'd like to welcome everyone dito sa ating Zoom. And join po kayo. Meron ako niligay na link dyan sa Zoom. You can join our group chat. Basically, naka-live pa to up until December 31. By next year po kasi, i-dissolve ko na tong GC. You can ask questions doon sa ating forum. May sisend ako later on. Wherein you can post there sa forum na yon, no? But temporarily, you can join the GC and then ask questions inside. All right, and welcome. So medyo dumadami na tayo. Sige. Sino pa yun nandito? Miss Jennifer. Sino pa? Rose Ann. Sir Manuel, Miss Juan. Ayan. So, join lang kayo dun sa GC. Nandito na si Miss Win A, si Zam, Dolby, Miss Cha, Miss Raim, Shedi Aswige. Alright. Tawag dito. Let me just... Okay, meron pa tayong 2 minutes before tayo mag-officially start. Pero sige, join lang kayo dyan. And by the way guys, yung link na binigay ko dyan sa Zoom, ang tawag dito, you need to download the Telegram app sa inyong mobile phone. No, hindi po kasi ang gagana pagka kinilik po ninyo sa laptop or PC. Unless otherwise meron kayo in-install na app doon sa device po niyo sa laptop or PC, makakapag-join po kayo. Pero pag wala po kayong app doon sa mobile phone po ninyo, kailangan nyo i-download, no? Tapos just create a sign up for an account, free naman yan, and then you will be able to join inside our Telegram app. Again, this app or this GC will be available up until December 31, 2024 only. I-dissolve ko siya. For those na naka-join lang doon sa Digital Scientist, sila po yung magkakaroon lang ng GC niyan. But take nyo lang yung opportunity na open pa siya. So, yun. So, I'm gonna share my screen para mabilis tayo. Marami tayong pag-uusapan tonight. So, let me know if you can see my screen. Okay, let me just put this one here. Present. Present. Let me know if you can see it. Type yes if you can see it. Ayan. Okay, perfect. So, ano nga ba yung matututunan nyo in the next 5 days? No, I'll be giving you the course outline for today's training. Again, meron kayong 3 months technical support. Pwede kayong mag-message doon sa Telegram, and I'll be responding to those questions as soon as I can. Kung available naman or free. Most of the time, baka hindi ko siya masagot. So, I would be asking you guys to post the questions sa forum po natin para hindi siya matabunan dun sa GC natin. All right, so day 1, ano matututunan niyo sa day 1? What's inside the training? I'm gonna give you the overview ng business settings or yung tinatawag na business portfolio. Ano ang pagkakaiba niya sa Meta Business Suite, no? Yung business portfolio versus Meta Business Suite, anong pagkakaiba ng dalawa? And day 2, matututunan nyo understanding the campaign objectives and the Facebook auction, how it works. Paano kayo charge ni Facebook in terms of your budget. How your ads are being shown to the platform. Paano si Facebook nagkakaroon ng parang, anong tawag dito, ng selection of ads na ipapakita doon sa target audience nyo. Matututunan din nyo po yan. Day 3, different campaign setup. I'm gonna set up the campaigns from scratch para you know how to do it kapag kayo na po magse-set up ng campaigns po ninyo. Day 4, understanding the Facebook ads metrics. Ano yung mga metrics na kailangan nyo matutunan in terms of running a messaging campaign. or the landing page or website campaign, ano yung mga metrics na kakailangan ninyo in terms of your KPIs, no? And then day 5, I'm gonna teach you guys how to use the Facebook Ads Calculator. Papaano nyo malalaman kung profitable kayo or hindi in terms doon sa nilabas yung budget versus doon sa ROI or revenue na nakukuha po ninyo. So malalaman nyo po yan lahat in the next 5 days. Okay ba yun? Alright, so again, meron kayong Telegram app, GC, na binigay ko sa inyo yung link. And then you can also download the Spaces by Weeks app para po mababrowse po niyo yung recordings din through mobile phone. But I would suggest na ipanoorin niyo po siya sa sa laptop or PC kasi maliit masyado pag sa mobile phone. So whenever you want to watch the recordings, I would suggest to use your laptop or PC kasi although sa app naman kasi nandoon yung ma-access nyo naman kaso baka maduling kayo. Maliit masyado, no? So but yun, all right, so I'd like to know everyone who is inside this webinar, type number 1 if you guys are business owners. Now, number 1 in the chat if you guys are business owners. I'd like to know everyone here. Si Miss Jonilyn Rubis, yan. Sammy, Virginia Lasarte, si Dan Paulo Pogi. Yun, Pogi, parehas pala tayo. Bella Aquino, Jana ZM, Elizabeth, Mark, Jem, Talma Alduesa. Yan, mga business owners natin. Zarita. Alright, from the looks of it, parang restaurant owner si Miss Zarita. Tama ba? Naka-ano pa siya? Naka-apron ba yung tawag dyan? Yun. And type number 2, guys, if you guys are into aspiring needy buyers or Facebook ad strategists, you want to become a digital marketer or you want to serve your give your services to clients, type number 2 in the chat. Aspiring media buyers, just like me. Okay, Jonilyn, Jam, Gail, Jigs, Malilin, Sammy, Dolba, Sedi, Manuel, Elizabeth. All right. So meron tayong mga aspiring media buyers dito. 1 and 2 si Kata. Yan. So, all right. Sige. Because just to give you a context, guys, no, if you wanted to become nowadays, if you want to start your own business, you need to become a media buyer. You need to know how the Facebook auction works. You need to know the in and outs of Facebook ads because if hindi ka pwedeng kwentuhan ng ano mo, ng media buyer mo or ng Facebook ad strategist mo na may tawag tayo. Yan, wait lang. So, hindi ka pwedeng kwentuhan kasi you know how it works. Teka lang. Sir, nasa live lang ako. Tawag ka ulit mamaya. Okay. Ayan, may tumatawag sa atin. Ayan, so anyway, nawala ako doon. You need to become a media buyer as a business owner. Hindi pwedeng business owner ka tapos hindi mo alam paano tumatakbo yung Facebook ads. Kasi pwede kang kwentuhan ay kasi po ganito, kasi po ganyan. Tapos oo ka lang naman. Oo ka lang kasi hindi mo alam. So as a business owner, you don't need to to master it, but at least you have an overview of how this thing works. All right? So at least hindi ka pwedeng kwentuhan ng kahit na sino. So, siya na po option for real estate. Pasensya late ako. Nag-uumpisa pa lang kami, Sir Nilo, and ayun, nagdi-discuss na po tayo ngayon ng mga ang tawag dito ng ating course outline. Now, type number 3, guys, if who are among you here are in the service-based industry, like let's say I don't know, salon business or any service-based business. Like I think, can I consider real estate or financial advisor as a service-based business? Yeah, I think so. Anyone who is in the service-based business or service-based industry, nasa services ka. Ayan. So, number 3, si Rodette, si Shireen, Jem, Cha, Jigs Malilin. All right, Elizabeth. All right, Mr. Sammy. All right. Now, who among you here, guys? I'd like to know everyone here kung sino dito yung nag-boost post na in the past, but hindi nila alam kung ano yung ginagawa talaga nila. Nakita nila yung boost post dun sa sa cellphone nila and just binoost na lang nila yung yung kanilang post, and then that's it. It looks like it's been running for quite some time, and then they feel like they feel like it's working because there are messages coming in. So, si Kata tulay, tas nakaganon pa. All right. So, type is 0 dyan sa chat if type is 0, 0, sa chat kung sino-sino yung mga they don't know what's happening, like they just boost the post. All right, for those of you here na nagsabi ng me or 0, who among you here ang merong gamit ngayon ay laptop or PC? Naka-laptop siya ngayon or PC? Sino yung among of you here nag-type ng 0, sino sa inyo yung naka-laptop or PC? Si Miss Rodette. All right. Naunang ito si Miss Gail. Sinong anuhin ko? Nauna si Miss Gail. Okay. Miss Gail, sige. Swerte mo kasi ikaw yung unang nag-type ng PC, and gagawin kita ng business portfolio tonight. Okay ba yun sa'yo, Miss Gail? I can unmute you. Ayan, thank you. So you can share your screen so that I'll be navigating your screen at tutulungan kitang gumawa ng business portfolio from scratch. Or probably you have a business portfolio but you don't know or you are unaware that you have a business portfolio already. But yun nga, as in hindi mo alam yung ginagawa mo. And for some reason, you are able to create a business portfolio like along the lines. But right now, let's see if you already have a business portfolio, but if not, I'll create it from scratch. All right. Sige, you can share your screen, Miss Gail, and let's start navigating it so that I can be able to create your business portfolio. All right. Guys, magkaiba ang business portfolio sa personal ad account. When you boost a post, you're probably using your personal ad account. All right. And I do not recommend using your personal ad account because whatever happens to your personal ad account, na-reject siya, na-disabled siya, then you don't have a chance to create your own business portfolio kasi wala na, disabled na siya. All right, so I'm gonna explain it later after this demo. Yes, Miss Gail, go ahead. Ikaw po ang inaantay ng sambayan ng Pilipino. You can share your screen so that we can navigate already. Or perhaps I can unmute you. You want to say something? There you go. Ayan, pwede ka tangin unmute if you wanted to say something.
Yes, pahingi po ng ng access. I mean, I can share my okay, thank you.
Okay. Sige. Sige, there you go. All right, perfect. So let me just quickly ask a remote control access, and there's going to be a notification in front of you about my request to remote control. Accept nyo lang po yan.
Alin po? I mean,
just sa top of your screen, meron po dyan lalabas na I am trying to gain access sa screen mo. Pakita niyo po.
sorry, hindi ko siya nakikita. Here?
Sa screen, meron dyan lalabas kulay orange. Ito, request. Okay, nag-request na ako ulit.
I'm sorry, can you see it? I mean, I can see it right now.
It should be in front of your, I think it's on top.
Okay, here's, I can see it. I'm sorry.
Let me quickly stop sharing your screen. And
yes.
Sige, you can share it back again. Sige, let's see if...
okay, ayun, okay.
Sige, go ahead.
Okay, share.
Yep. Share your entire screen.
Okay.
Hmm.
And then,
So do not move your mouse. I'm gonna be request acts. You're about to request more. Okay, request, and then let me know if it's
yes. Approve.
because you have two screens. That's why.
Yes.
All right, perfect. So let me gain control. Sige, buksan mo yung Facebook mo
Okay.
sa isang browser. I think you have three browsers open. Just
Yes.
open one browser and close everything that's in front of you.
Okay.
So just one browser so that it won't be parang ano. I think I can see down below. Meron pang naka-open na isa. Is it the same thing? Yes.
Oh no.
Okay. So on top of it, there are a lot of tabs that are open.
Open.
You can
I need to close it.
yes, please close everything on top of it. Nakaano ka rin sa instant copy?
Yes. Yes.
Kay
I
brother.
saw your video with him. So,
How is it? How is it going?
actually, 3 days ko pa lang. So, parang inaano ko pa lang siya.
In-explore mo pa lang.
Yes.
Okay, let me know the results. Let me know if you were able to like get some results in there, and then
Sige.
because we would like to know feedbacks as well, because
Mhm.
syempre we want to, as creators, we want to improve our craft.
Sige, sige. I'm sure,
Alright.
sure.
All right, so perfect. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna type in let me check if you have a page already.
Oh, actually, I have a lot of pages.
Okay, let me
Pero
check
kasi, ang gusto ko sana yun sa client. Okay lang po ba yun?
yung sa alin.
Yung sa client ko.
Okay. Let me just quickly check if you already have a business portfolio, but
Wala pa po.
let's see. 1 second. Sorry. See? Hindi mo alam na you are unaware that you already have 1, 2, 3, 4 business
Oh,
portfolios. These
okay.
are not your pages. These are your business portfolios or business management.
Okay. Mhm.
All right. So, for the sake of this demo, let me create a new business portfolio so that you can see how it's being done. Okay.
Okay.
Hopefully, mabigyan tayo ng another slot kasi you already have 4. So this is going to be the 5th one. So let me check if Facebook is going to give me another slot for a new business portfolio. So business, for those of you guys na wala pang business portfolio, you can follow these steps. Go to business.facebook.com/create. All right, and then you will be redirected to this page. And then all you need to do is to create an account, and then let's name this business portfolio for like the fifth business portfolio into whatever business you're thinking right now. Can you put can we say like Gale BM1
Okay.
or Gale Biz?
Yes.
All right. So before you mag-open tayo ng bagong tab dito, is this the same email that you're using for your Facebook?
Yes.
I'm not sure why I'm not able to control this one. Can you click the Gmail na word katabi ng images?
This one.
Kasi hindi ko maklik eh.
Okay.
Okay. This one. So, gailgordania.b@gmail.com. Tama?
Hold on. Okay.
Yeah, just switch your account. So, okay, Gordania, gail@gmail.com. Okay, good. So, the same email, you have to put it here. It's yeah. All right, so I'm gonna give up the remote control access. your business you already have an account.
Oh,
If you found a business account with the same email domain, let me give up the remote control access. Can you click submit? Let's try if magbibigyan ka. Sige, click mo yung submit.
okay. Ayaw na po.
When you scroll down, teka. Mukhang okay siya. Sige, scroll down mo siya dito sa gilid. Yung bar na yon, yung ito. Yung okay, yan, unable to create. You have reached the limit for the businesses you can create at this time. Kasi meron ka ng 4
Yes.
You already have 4. How about putting your another email? Kasi meron para may nakita ko na ibang email doon eh. Can you try the other email? And then click submit. Reach na. Na-reach mo na yung ano. Okay. Okay. Kasi ganito yan. Let me gain remote control access, no?
Okay.
Ganito kasi yan, kapag na-reach mo na yung maximum mo, hindi ka makakapag-create ng bagong business portfolio. For those of you guys, para hindi tayo ma-stuck dito, meron mga previous recordings doon sa dashboard. You can see how it is being done. But for the sake of this demonstration, I'm gonna access one of the business portfolio. Okay, let me just check. So Ads Manager. And then this is your personal ad account, okay? So yung kung nakikita mo yung pangalan mo, that's your personal ad account. And I do not recommend using your personal ad account. For everyone here na nasa Zoom, kapag nagra-run kayo ng ads at nakikita nyo yung pangalan nyo, personal niyo yon. Kapag na-disabled to, mahihirapan kayo or hindi na kayo makakapag-create ng business portfolio. That's the end of your career as a media buyer or as an advertiser or as a business owner. Okay, that's why I want you guys to make a separate ad account inside your business portfolio. So let me check if which of these business portfolio already have the ad account. Marketing Smart Solution natin, mukhang wala pa.
Wala pa po.
Okay, so let me see. Business settings. Ito, ad accounts. Ito, wala pang ad account. So, tignan ko yung iba kasi baka mamaya meron na tayong meron tayong ad account na nagra-run, hindi mo rin siya sure kung unaware ka na meron ka nang nira-run na ad account. Okay.
Wala pa naman po.
Wala rin tong ad account.
Yes.
Tingnan natin to. Gail Gardania. Wala rin ito. All right, so wala pa lahat. Now, I'd like to get an overview of what you do. Are you a VA?
Yes.
Okay, and you wanted to establish your own digital marketing agency, is that correct?
No. I don't think so.
Ano yung future plans mo dito kung sakali?
Gusto ko lang siyang gamitin sa client.
Sa business mo?
Sa business ng clients ko.
Okay. This is how it works now, Miss Gail. You do not create your business portfolio for your clients. It's the other way around. It should be your clients
who will create
that will create the business portfolio and you will add it inside their business portfolio.
Okay.
Okay, because mali yung ginagawa mo na ikaw gagawa ng business portfolio for your clients. It should be the other way around. Okay, but for the sake of this demo, let's use Marketing Smart Solution as your business portfolio as if you are the digital marketing agency owner.
Okay.
Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create an ad account inside your business portfolio. So click add, create a new ad account. And then I'm just gonna name this as Gale Advertising.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna change it to Philippine Peso. Then click next. My business. Create. Let's wait it for this one. Okay, and then you're gonna need to give yourself access to it, full control, and then assign.
Okay.
And then i-close ko muna ito, and then exit. And then I'm gonna go inside. For those of you guys na aspiring media buyers, this is how you do it. There are 3 ways on how you can be able to access your client's business portfolio. Number 1, the easiest one is here sa people, and by just adding your anong tawag dito, your email address. So, as if ako yung media buyer, I'm gonna add myself inside. So, invite people. Miss Gail, is it okay if you can lower down the volume ng TV or I don't know
Okay. Okay. I'll just
if it's at a TV or ano? Okay, okay. So, I'll remove this one. Okay. So, invite. Invite. And then I'm gonna put my email address, virtual5solutions@gmail.com. Okay, and then this is my email address. I'm gonna click next. And then for the sake of this demo, there are 2 access that you can give to your media buyer. It's gonna be partial access and then everything. So for the sake of this demo, I'm just gonna select everything and then click next. Then this one, full control, invite. Okay, makaka-receive ako ng email that Miss Gail is inviting me inside her business. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna check my email. Usually guys, mapupunta yun sa ano, sa social tab nung anong tawag dito? Ng inyong Gmail account. Okay, let me check if na-receive ko na siya. You've been invited. Ito, nakita ko na siya. Wait lang invitation. I'm just gonna log in. Hindi nyo nakikita guys kasi hindi ako naka-share screen. I'm gonna stop sharing Miss Gail's screen so that you can see my screen. So na-receive ko siya via email. Ito. So makaka-receive ako ng ganito sa email ko. Usually, again, pumapasok siya dito sa social tab. And then makikita nyo ito. You've been invited by to join Marketing Smart Solutions. And then kinilik ko tong view invitation. Tapos pinasok ko yung pangalan ko, continue, accept invitation, and then I'm gonna put my password. So 1 second, I'm just gonna put my password. So yan yung pinaka-easiest way guys to access your client's business manager. Let me just check. Okay, ayan. So, check if I'm able to gain access. Looks good. Okay, nasa loob na ako nung business portfolio ng Miss Gail. So, you can share back your screen, Miss Gail, and then we can navigate your screen again. Sige, open mo po yung ano. Let me request remote control access. Approve nyo lang po. Okay, and then I'm gonna check this one. Okay, so pag na-refresh ko siya, nandun ako sa loob. Alright, so nandito na ako sa loob. So, the next one, kasi di ba 3 ways to access your client's business manager. The next one would be via ad accounts. Alright, so in this case kasi, yung dito kanina, I was able to gain control or gain access to everything. Like, imaginein mo, binigyan ako ni Miss Gail ng susi sa lahat ng kwarto ng bahay niya. Or binigyan niya ako ng main key doon sa front door, sa back door, sa living area, etc., sa bedroom. So lahat yun na-access ko. Okay, yan yung pinaka mabilis na way of getting access. But in this case, let's say for example, medyo ano sa security yung clients po ninyo. So especially kung medyo may alam na yung clients ninyo sa Facebook ads or pagrara ng Facebook ads at he or she was able to work with a lot of agencies, most probably ang ibibigay lang sa inyo is yung ad account nila. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So pupunta sila sa ad account, okay? And then yung ad account kasi ninyo, meron siyang specific na ad account ID. Yung ad account ID na yon, unique yon sa bawat business portfolio. Okay? Ang gagawin ni client is ibibigay lang nila sa inyo to. Okay, so you can copy this one, Miss Gail, yung 726 ang ending, and then you can send it over sa chat so that I'm gonna show them how to gain access only for this ad account. Copy mo lang yan and then send it over dito sa chat para at least pakita ko sa kanila how to gain access using only this ID. Okay. Okay. So yan, nandito na siya. Paki-send po dito ma'am sa GC po natin, sa Zoom. Okay. Nasaan yun na po ma'am? Wala pa siya dito. Okay. Let me know if you're having trouble sending it over. Kung nasa ayan, okay na. Sige. So let me stop your screen and then I'm gonna share mine. So, okay, nandito ako sa business portfolio ko as if ako yung digital marketing agency na magkakaroon ng access doon sa ad account ni Miss Gail. So ito yung business portfolio ko. Ang gagawin ko doon is anong tawag dito, yung binigay niyang ad account ID. What I'm gonna do is click add and then request access to an ad account. Paste ko yan dito and then I'm gonna select full control, or you can just select manage campaigns lang, yung nasa taas lang. But for this demo, I'm just gonna select full control and then confirm. Ayan, request sent. You can share back your screen, Miss Gail, and then papakita ko sa iyo kung saan mo siya makikita. Okay, let me gain control again ng iyong PC. Ayan. So, makikita mo yung request na yun dito sa requests sa baba. Okay? Hindi mo lang siya makikita ngayon kasi 'di ba nagkaroon na ako ng full control ng BM mo or ng business portfolio mo. Kaya wala ka na makikitang receive dito. Supposedly dapat na dito siya. Pero since again nagawa ko na yung kanina na full access doon sa business portfolio mo, kaya wala na tayong makita dito. So dito mo na siya makikita sa partners. Ayun na siya. Nandito na ako. I'll be acting as a digital marketing agency in behalf of your business. That's how you do it for your clients. If you encounter clients na they know already about how to gain access doon sa kanilang portfolio, this is how you do it. Okay? So for the sake of this demo, I'm just gonna remove myself again. Okay, remove partner. That's the second one, right? Yung via add account ID. Okay, so wala na tayo dito. So the third one is via ito, yung partners. No, so kanina via add accounts, hiningi ko yung add account mo tapos ako yung nag-send ng request sa'yo. Okay? But this time, yung pangatlong way of getting access is via partners. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send you my business ID. So it's the other way around. Okay? The business ID, ito na yung ID ko. Wait lang ah. Okay, ito yung business ID ko, nasa chat box. Copy mo yan. Okay, once you copied the business ID, click mo yung partner to assign assets to. Click mo yung add button sa kaliwa. 'Di ba dalawang kulay blue yan, yung kaliwa yan. Click mo yung add and then put my business ID there and then click next. And then punta ka sa add accounts. Add accounts. But just below classic page. No. That's the same thing. Click add. Yan, paste. Next. And then add accounts just below classic pages. Yeah, that one. And then click Gale advertising. And then full control. Yan, yung full control. Yan. And then save changes. Done. Once nag-load siya, click mo lang yung done. Yan, okay. Saan mo makikita yung business manager info? Nandito siya. Okay, yung business info ko, dito ko siya kinuha. Yung nandiyan dyan sa chat, galing yun dito. So, yun yung pangatlong way of getting access inside your client's business portfolio. Gets? For those aspiring media buyers, alam nyo na kung paano mag-gain access doon sa client's business portfolio nyo. So kanina, nanghihingi ito ng payment method. So hindi natin nalagyan. So what I'm gonna do is pupunta ako sa add accounts and then I'm gonna click this inverted triangle just beside open in ads manager. Click inverted triangle, view payment methods. Dito kayo magpa-fund ng inyong account. Guys, marami nagkakamali dito kasi mini-message ako, coach, naglagay naman ako ng fund pero hindi nagwo-work yung ads ko. Alam niyo kung saan nila nilagay yung fund? Dito nila nilagay yung fund sa billing and payments sa business nila. Magkaiba po 'yun. No? Dapat, excuse me. Dapat pupunta kayo dito sa ad account ninyo kung aling ad account ang ginawa ninyo. Ito, Gale Advertising. Pupunta kayo dito sa inverted triangle, view payment methods, and then that's it. I-click nyo tong add payment method, and then just click next. And then you're gonna choose credit card or PayMaya or GCash. So which anong payment method ang gagamitin niyo, Miss Gail? You can unmute yourself. Or you can just type it sa chat box. Ano pong payment method ang gagamitin po niyo? Yan, ask to unmute. GCash, okay. So GCash, view payment methods, and then add payment method. Sige, click nyo po yung add payment method. And then click GCash. Next. No. Do not click I have an add credit. Okay, click next. Wait mo lang siya mag-load. And then lagyan mo lang siya ng magkano yung amount na gusto mong ilagay. 100, 500, 1,000, depende sa'yo.
100 po.
Lagyan 100 mo na. Ayan, next. And then, ano mo na yung GCash app mo sa phone. Ilabas mo na.
Okay.
And then, tawag dito. Wait lang Labas mo na siya and then merong QR code na lalabas. Tapos, yan na po yung ano.
Okay.
Okay? Barilin mo po yung QR code. Huwag
Ah.
kami.
Okay, wait lang po.
Sige lang. So you have 13 minutes to do it. Ayan po, mag-i-expire po talaga siya.
So, Sky. Gamitan mo kanina ng cutter.
Okay? Sa phone po ninyo, pag in-open niyo yung GCash, meron doon sa pinakagitna, doon sa baba, meron doon QR code na ano, na tawag dito. Yan, click mo lang yung done. And that's it. Available funds 100 pesos. Okay? That's it. Let me just check if we can may page ka na ba, Miss Gail? May Facebook page ka na? Wala pa?
Yung account po niyan is page. I mean,
Check
this marketing smart solution, it's a page.
Check natin kung kasi yung marketing smart solutions, again, business portfolio mo to, hindi ito ang page mo. No?
May page din kasi siya.
Okay, so click mo yung add, tapos add a page. And then makikita mo dito marketing, ayan.
Smarter pala siya.
Smarter ba? Tama ba to?
Opo.
Okay, so diyan tapos i-give up ko yung remote control Tapos
Okay.
click mo yung add page. If you own the page, it should be inside. Yeah, that one. Okay, good. Tapos I'm gonna request access again doon sa PC mo. Approve mo lang siya. And then assign people, i-click ko yung assign people. And then I'm gonna add myself inside your page. Everything, and then assign. Okay. Check if it's gonna work. I think that's it. And there you go. So meron na akong access dun sa page mo, meron na akong access dun sa ad account mo. And may access na ako sa buong business mo. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stop sharing your screen and then I'm gonna go inside your business portfolio, marketing smart solutions. Okay. Let me share my screen. Okay. Nandito ako ngayon sa business portfolio mo ngayon, di ba? So, just to give you guys a context on anong itsura kasi nito na business portfolio. I'm gonna take a screenshot. Wait lang Stop share ko muna pala. So, screenshot ko muna kasi nakasama yung Zoom Ayan. Share screen ko. Okay. So, imagine niyo guys, itong business portfolio nyo is a subdivision. Sa subdivision, di ba pagpasok ninyo, merong parang pinaka-main office, nung parang sales office. So, ito yung pinaka-sales office po ninyo, itong nasa taas. Okay, hindi ka makakapasok dito sa mga assets po na nasa baba. Kasi imaginein mo to, it's basically townhouses na magkakadikit. If you're in the real estate business, itong mga sections na to, parang imaginein mo na bahay yan. Bago ka makapasok sa mga bahay na yan, kailangan mo ng access dito sa users. Okay, ano ba itsura ng townhouses? Ganito po itsura ng townhouses. Dikit-dikit na bahay. Townhouses. Ayan siya. So, ito yung townhouses, dikit-dikit na bahay, and it's also the same dito sa business portfolio po ninyo. Ito yung pinaka main office, tapos ito yung mga bahay niya. Bago kayo makapasok dyan, kailangan nyo ng susi manggagaling dito sa users na section, which is ito. Users, people. Kaya 'di ba nung pagpasok ko kanina, nilagay ko dito yung email address ko, nag-invite people ako para nagkaroon ako ng access sa buong subdivision ni Miss Gail. Yun ang ibig sabihin nun. Or nagkaroon ako ng access sa buong bahay niya, including yung mga kwarto. Okay, kasi yung dito yung ginawa ko, yung add accounts lang, no? Ibig sabihin nun, nakapasok lang ako sa kwarto niya. Okay, parang pangit pakinggan na. Nakapasok ako sa kwarto niya. But anyway, nakapasok ako dun sa isang part ng bahay niya, which is itong add account lang. Yan yung pangalawang anong tawag dito? Way of getting access sa clients ninyo. Ito lang yung na-access ko dun sa pangalawang demo ko sa inyo. Pero yung unang dinemo ko sa inyo, nagkaroon ako ng access sa buong bahay niya. Yun yung ibig sabihin nun. Okay? And the same thing nung binigay ko yung business information ID ko, it's the same thing as if dito. Pareho lang sila. Make sense? So, ganun guys, kapag it's either you are the client and you want to give access to your media buyer para dun makapasok sila sa business mo. Or you are a media buyer, you want to request access doon sa business or doon sa ad account ni client. It's the same way. Make sense? So Miss Gail, if you want to serve clients as a digital marketing agency or as a virtual assistant or as a media buyer, ganun niyo po yung gagawin niyo. Kung si client wala pang business portfolio, it's your job to create business portfolio for your client. The same way kung paano ko ginawa yung business portfolio ngayon. And then you add yourself inside the business portfolio. Or you let your client add you inside the business portfolio. If the client knows what he's already doing. But if not, i-guide mo sila. Just the same way kung paano ko ginaid kita ngayon. Make sense? Questions? So I can unmute everyone or let me just quickly okay, so any one of you here na gustong mag-question or mag-ask ng question, you are free to unmute yourself. Go ahead.
Hello?
Yes, Belle. Go ahead.
Sorry. Okay, yung demo niyo po is if we want to access, like we want to work for a client, something like that, right? So we need an access to their page. Tama,
Yes.
yun yung purpose ng demo. What if we just want to run our own business page? Is it advisable po ba na mag-create kami ng our own, mag-enter kami ng another account namin para at least mag-hackman something yung page na yun is may access pa rin kami. Tama ba?
Yes, it's advisable na i-separate ninyo yung personal ad account ninyo. Miss Belle, ganito kasi yan. Anong tawag dito? Saan na yung whiteboard natin? Yung whiteboard. Okay. Can you guys see the whiteboard? Type
Yes.
yes. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, good. Now, let's assume that this guys, wag niyo munang wag muna kayo magsabay din sa kasi nakikita ko gumagalaw din. Teka. Live on YouTube. Whiteboard, wag niyo munang gagalawin. Okay. Ako muna magsusulat. So, imaginein mo ikaw ito, Miss Belle, no? I'm sorry dun sa drawing ko, no. Ayan, nakangiti ka naman. Anyway, ikaw yung nasa top. Then, sa baba mo kasi, this is gonna be your personal ad account. Okay? When you boost a post, you are using your personal ad account. Okay? Now, what I'm trying to establish here is that you create your business portfolio outside your personal ad account. So the way it works is that yung apat na business portfolio ni Miss Gail is that imaginein mo ito yung isang business portfolio, Pangatlong business portfolio, di ba nakita natin kanina 4 yung business portfolio niya, di ba? So imagine, meron siyang 4 na business portfolio and inside that business portfolio or BM ko siya tawagin. So it's gonna be BM1, BM2, BM3, and BM4. Alright? Ano nangyari? Yan. So, wait lang. Sulat ko. Ano nangyari doon? So, BM2, BM3, BM4. Huwag muna kayo magsulat, guys. May nagsusulat. Yan. Yan. So, now, imagine niyo guys, yung ginawa natin kaninang ad account, nandito siya sa loob. Ito yung Gale Advertising. Because under your BM or your business manager, you can create multiple ad accounts. So, ad account 1, ad account 2, ad account 3, and so on and so forth. As long as na Facebook ad compliant ka, you can create multiple ad accounts. You can create multiple business portfolio or business manager. Guys, parang awa nyo na, wag muna kayong magsusulat. No? Ako muna. Ayan. So, ganun po siya guys. No? If you take a look at it, sky's the limit po yan. No? For as long as na you are Facebook ad compliant, you can create multiple business portfolio or business manager. And under business portfolio, you can create multiple ad accounts. Same to this one, etc., etc. Make sense, Miss Bell? Nakuha po? Okay, so I think na nakuha naman ni Miss Bell. Let me just, you can type in, okay, perfect. So, yun. So, paano ko ba siya stop sharing? Whiteboards. Stop ko na siya. Stop sharing. All right. So, any questions? All right. Any questions?
Sir?
Yes, go ahead, Miss Malu.
Yeah. What's the difference ng business portfolio sa page?
All right. So, lahat po ng Facebook pages, lahat po ng Facebook page po na kinreate po ninyo, you can utilize meron silang kasamang business portfolio. You can utilize the business, the Meta Business Suite. Is that what you are asking? Or the business portfolio? Sorry, Miss Malu, can you unmute again?
Yeah, business portfolio.
Okay,
Kasi
business
mo, di ba? Under business portfolio, pwede kang mag-create ng mga Facebook ads.
Yes,
Tama.
correct. Correct.
Oh.
So,
yung ba is the same with the Facebook ads na sinasabi mo?
Apo, bali ganito po kasi ganito po kasi siya. So, I thought Meta Business Suite yung tanong niyo. So, let me just demonstrate it for you. So, yung business portfolio or yung business manager, it can hold, let me just, para hindi makapagsulat yung iba. Teka lang ha. I-ano ko lang yung access. Who can initiate new with more banking host only? Who can facilitate in the meeting? Ako lang. Only host and board owners. Okay, good. So, para hindi makadrawing yung iba. Okay. So, Miss Malu, yung business portfolio is basically that holds everything. Like, imaginein mo siya as if parang main office mo. Like anong business niyo po, Miss Malu?
Real estate ako.
Okay, real estate. So perfect. So imaginein mo nasa anong tawag dito? Nasa loob ka ng isang subdivision. Then, doon sa business manager mo kasi or business portfolio, nandito yung FB page mo. FB page. Nandito rin yung ad account mo. Okay, ad account. Inside your business portfolio, nandito rin yung pixel mo. This is a bit advanced na rin. So, I mean, nandiyan dyan. And then, nandiyan dyan yung domain. Nandito rin, pwede mo makikita mo rin dyan yung WhatsApp account mo. Kung gusto mong mag-connect nung WhatsApp mo, pwede mo i-connect yon. Pwede mo rin i-connect dito yung Instagram mo. Meaning, lahat ng assets mo, when I say assets, itong mga sinusulat ko na to, that's your assets inside your business. Lahat yon nasa loob ng BM. The Meta Business Suite is different. Meta Business Suite. Pang social media manager po yan. So, I'm gonna show you the Meta Business Suite, kung anong pagkakaiba niya sa eto business portfolio. Meta Business Suite would be different. Marketing, ano yun? Yung page name is Gail. Marketing Smarter Solutions. Okay. So, dito sa marketing, itong page na to, this holds your Meta Business Suite. Pag kinilig mo tong page marketing, ano na to, use page. Tapos, Meta Business Suite. Ito siya. Okay? Magagamit mo to kapag ka mag-i-schedule ka ng posts mo. So, halimbawa, pupunta ka ng planner. Pag kinilig mo yung planner, let's say for example, for the month of October, gusto mo mag-i-publish ng posts. Gusto mong i-schedule lahat ng post mo dito.
Sorry, you're not sharing the screen.
Can you see my screen? Stop sharing ko muna to. Okay. Parang hindi niyo nakita yung screen ko. Hindi ako nakashare. Sorry. Walang umiimik sa inyo. Hindi pala ako nakashare. Alright. So, I'm gonna do it again. So, ito yung business portfolio nyo guys, di ba? Okay. Tapos, dito sa kabila is I'm gonna open the Meta Business Suite. So, ito siya. So, Marketing Smarter Solutions. I'm gonna click Meta Business Suite. And then, let me just mute you all guys. Okay. And then, ito yung makikita nyo. Pupunta kayo sa planner. And then, if you want to schedule a post, punta kayo sa month. And then, let's say, tomorrow, October 8, click mo lang yung plus sign, schedule post. This is the purpose, or this is the, you can utilize this Meta Business Suite kapag nag-i-schedule kayo ng post po ninyo. Kung anong gusto mong oras, ipopost yung post na yon. Let's say, 11 a.m. Yan, change mo yan. Tapos save. And then, you add a photo or video. And then, you put caption here. And then, schedule. Yan po yung purpose ng Meta Business Suite. Magkaiba po siya sa, anong tawag dito? Sa Ads Manager or sa Business Portfolio. Kasi, dito sa Business Portfolio, pag kinilig mo tong ad accounts, at kinilig mo tong Open in Ads Manager, dito kayo mapupunta sa mismong Ads Manager ninyo. So makikita nyo po dito, blanco pa siya kasi wala pa tayong niraran na ads. Dito kayo magraran ng ads. Ito yung tinatawag na Ads Manager or Power Editor. It was in the early days of Facebook, ang tawag dito is Power Editor, but right now tinatawag siyang Ads Manager. So does your business marketing solutions focus on politics? Just click no, and then dito kayo mag-create ng campaigns po ninyo. And tomorrow I'll be discussing all of the campaign objectives from awareness, traffic, engagement up to sales para maintindihan nyo kung anong campaign objective ba ang kakailangan ninyo in terms of your business, kung anong business industry kayo. or kung anong industry kayo. Make sense? Magkaiba po yan. Yung Meta Business Suite para sa scheduling ng post, kung halimbawa magre-reply kayo sa messages, magagamit mo itong Meta Business Suite. Ayan siya yung inbox po ninyo. Makikita nyo lahat po ng anong tawag dito ng messages po ninyo. Makakapag-post po kayo ng content nyo for 1 month. So, pwede nyo ng schedule po dito. Tapos, anong tawag dito sa all tools, pwede rin yung anong tawag dito, makikita dito yung anong tawag dito yung leads ninyo. Ito, pwede kayo mag-create ng instant forms or yung lead center. Ito, lead center. Yung mga pumapasok na leads, dito nyo makikita. Okay? So, I hope na i-describe ko sa inyo, Miss Malu. Let me know if you have any further questions or follow-up questions. Okay? Sino pa may question? Nilo?
Hello,
Oo,
sir.
Question, sir.
Sir Nilo. Okay, go ahead, Sir Nilo. Nilo, ayan. So, ask to unmute si Nilo. Go ahead.
So, nagkabit po ako.
Sige po.
Ano po, if I were given a full access po ng page
Sir Nilo, medyo choppy po yung linya po ninyo.
ano,
Medyo
can I
hindi.
create a portfolio in his behalf po ba?
Sir Nilo, medyo wala. Medyo maano po yung ano nyo, yung anong tawag dito? Internet po ninyo. Choppy po kayo. Hello?
Ito po ako, copy pa rin mo.
Sige,
Yes
go ahead.
po, hello.
Go ahead.
Ask ko lang po, Coach, if I were given a full access po ng page,
Mhm.
can I create a portfolio din po ba? Or hindi po?
Bakit ka bibigyan ng access sa page? You are gonna be the media buyer or yung Facebook ads media buyer or strategist for your client? Is that you want to establish?
Kasi may project kasi kami parang sa Spotify at ayun. So may ginawa kami page pero hindi akin yung email address. So kasi ako yung parang sana gumawa ng ads. So ginawa namin is binigyan ako ng full access ng page. So
Medyo-
pwede ba na ako din ang gumawa ng portfolio? Or siya talaga yung may-ari ng email address?
Medyo hindi clear yung ano mo sir, yung audio mo, yung internet mo. Medyo mabagal. Pero I'll be answering as much as I can based doon sa pagkakaintindi ko. Kung ikaw yung manager or I mean, I would assume you are the manager. You let your anong tawag dito? You let kung nasa I would assume nasa real estate ka, tama ba Sir Nilo? Ano mo sir? Anong industry mo? Medyo choppy sir. Ganito kasi para at least magkaroon kayo ng mas clear na overview. Pag kayo na nag-create ng business portfolio, you own the business. Okay, ibig sabihin, kayo yung nagmamay-ari ng BM or ng business portfolio. If you want somebody to come inside or to go inside your business portfolio, ibibigyan nyo sila lang access doon sa business portfolio ninyo. Okay? Now, if you are someone na nasa, let's say, ang ginagawa kasi ng mga, sa napapansin ko, karamihan ng nasa real estate ngayon, halimbawa, parang ako yung manager, ako din yung nagra-run ng lahat ng pages. Parang lahat nasa akin. Yung pages ng mga tao ko. So, hindi po siya Hindi po siya recommended. Hindi ko siya nire-recommend. Unless otherwise, yung company nag-create ng multiple pages na nakapangalan yung page mismo sa company. Pwede yon na sa akin lahat kasi ako yung pinaka-head nung nung company, nung real estate company. So pwede yon. Pero kung may kanya-kanya talaga silang kumbaga may kanya-kanyang anong tawag dito? Budget na niraran. Halimbawa, may sarili akong budget, may sarili lang siyang budget. So might as well paghiwalayin ninyo. Okay? So ganun po yung pinaka the best na gawin po. Sige, tama ba Sir Nilo? Pwede unmute kita.
Yes, ganun po, coach. Parang collab kasi ang nangyari lang is yung gumawa ng page is yung kasama ko.
Okay.
So, yung nangyari din, ako dapat mag-run kasi ako man yung may laptop. Yung ginawa niya, binigyan ako ng full access ng page. Pero so far, di ko alam kung paano gawin yung business portfolio po.
Yung business portfolio, kung paano ka gumawa, reviewin mo yung recordings nito. Merong step by step doon sa mga previous batches. Makikita nyo yon. It so happen na si Miss Gail kanina meron na siyang business portfolio. So nagtuloy na tayo para hindi na ako mag-pick ng another anong tawag dito, ng another participants. So again, preferably magkakahiwalay. Bawat isa sa inyo dapat may sariling business portfolio. Okay? And then you let them come inside your business portfolio and then navigate your business. Make sense? So, ayan. I'll be answering other questions. Si Gail, is it okay to use my PayPal or cards for my clients' ad account? No. Is it no, do not use your own PayPal, do not use your own credit card, do not use your own payment method. Again, Miss Gail, it should be your client's business under their own credit card, their own PayPal, whatever payment method na gagamitin nila. Hindi dapat sa'yo. Kasi imaginein mo, kung yung PayPal mo ang ginamit, tas takbuhan ka ng client mo, 100,000 yung bill. Tapos, for whatever reason, they stop working with you. Iyak ka. Iiyak ka, may 100,000 na naiwan sa PayPal mo, hindi ka nabayaran. Make sense? Okay, so do not use your own PayPal, do not use your own credit card. It should be your client's payment method, not yours. Question po, if I'm going to be the ad strategist for a client, should be the client shoulder the ads payment? How to do pricing? Yes, it should be. Rush. It should be the client na mag-shoulder ng payment, hindi ikaw. Okay, let's say, Mr. Client, I will be requiring you to, let's say, spend at least $3,000 for 1 month plus my ad management fee that would, let's say, cost you about $1,500. Let's say ganun. So you should invest at least $4,500 in order for this thing get going. Make sense? Okay? Pagkakaalam ko po, yes po kay client, yes, tama. Bukod po 'yon. Dapat pay yung pay sa iyo is different doon sa doon sa kung magkano yung uubusin niya sa budget. Okay, and then good evening. This will be uploaded. Medyo late kasi nakapasok. Just finished meeting also. Yes, it will be uploaded to you inside your dashboard. I'll show you later in a few minutes kung paano nyo ma-access. Sir Jeric, good PM. Two-way pala pwede mag-add ng fund. Yes, pwedeng GCash or yung e-wallet or credit card, pwede yan. Sir Jeric. Question din po about personal account. Yes, Chandria, ano po yun? Para naputol yung question niyo doon. Sir, I'm sure it will take time for me to learn everything about what we're discussing. Do you accept managing my business ads while I still learn from you? Thank you. Miss Michelle, yes. But technically, hindi ko ina-accept lahat ng industry. I'll be transparent, hindi ako nag-a-accept ng real estate industry, financial advisors, restaurants, salon. Why? Kasi mahirap i-track yung purchases or yung conversions. Kasi imaginein mo, if I will be running a campaign for a real estate agent, nag-inquire today, October, so most likely, after 3 months pa yan magko-convert as a client, or after 6 months or 1 year, who knows. Ang hirap mag-track as a media buyer, parang I will serve you as a client and then babalikan mo ko, parang walang nagko-convert. Natural kasi high ticket yung product mo. High ticket yung binibenta mo. So it will take some time because you need to establish relationship for your client before they buy from you. And again, as a media buyer, my job is to give you leads and your job is to convert them into a paying customer. If you are amenable that I will give you leads, but it's your job to convert them into a paying customer, then we can work together. But parang ang iniiwasan ko kasi doon, parang dumating yung time na parang wala akong naku-convert na sale. Teka muna, hindi ko siya, I mean, I'll be very straightforward, hindi ko siya trabaho na i-convert yung sale. It's your job as a realtor or as a real estate agent to convert them kasi you're gonna be the one to call them. Correct? My job is to give you quality leads. Your job is to convert them into a paying customer or to become a client. Now, if you're amenable with that, we can work together. But if not, I don't think we can proceed. Yun yung inaano ko kasi sa e-commerce business, madali kong matrack. Bumili ngayon, kita ko agad sa CRM, kita ko agad sa back-end. Alam ko na ito si Juan de la Cruz bumili ng ganito, madali kong matrack. Pero pag yung mga salon, financial advisors, real estate agents, like yung isipin nyo yung mahaba yung customer journey bago sila mag-convert. Kaya medyo off ako dun sa ganung client. Okay? I mean, Ma'am Michelle, do not take this as a negative I don't have anything against your industry, but I'm just trying to like parang explain why I'm not taking clients doon sa mga industry na binanggit ko. Okay? But if I also have a one-on-one coaching, you can take that as part of your parang if you don't want to manage, I can help you. It's gonna be done with you. Campaign setup. Okay? Question lang po, ano po kaya maganda target po sa automotive? We'll get into that, Sir Bernard, on day 3. Okay? Is it okay to use my... nasagot ko na to. Si Chandria, go ahead. Chandria, unmute kita. Sige, go ahead.
Sorry sir, Jomel Parco to. Sana ko yan, hindi ko lang nabago kanina.
Okay. Sige, Sir Jomel.
Paano po yun sir? Kasi I'm currently running ads na. Kaso nasa personal account. Tapos
Okay.
I think lang kasi kaya po ako nag-apply dito. I want to step by step process na rin para matuto ulit. Go back to the basic kasi last time na nag-run ako is 2017 pa eh. So very old siya. So ngayon na-run ko siya sa personal account and I think it's working. Ngayon, kung gagawa ako sa BM ngayon, magre-reset siya no?
Hindi. Yung personal ad account mo, if it is working, you are getting the ROI that you are aiming for, keep it. But if I were you, create create a BM or business portfolio, create an ad account inside the business portfolio, and simultaneously run your personal ad account and run the ad account inside your business portfolio. Sabay sila. Then you check which of this business portfolio or which of them are getting the most number of conversions. Your ultimate goal is to parang mag-shift from your personal ad account to your ad account inside the business portfolio para eventually kapag halos pantay na sila or na-take over na nung isa yung nung nasa ad account na nasa business portfolio, pwede mo nang patayin yung nasa personal ad account mo. Make sense? Sir Joel Astonio, sige, go ahead. Make sense na nasundan?
Yes po, sir. Na-gets ko naman.
Okay.
Ano ba yung sunod na tanong ko? Nawala sa isip ko na medyo nag-enjoy. Yun po. Same ano siya, sir. Bali mangyari, same targeting, same ads. O ganun yung same talaga.
Yes.
So
And
additional
you can test as well. Different targeting, you can test.
Okay. I got the idea. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. So, sorry. Nakaano na pala. Si Miss Elizabeth. Coach, matatouch ba natin mga susunod na session yung pag-create ng landing page? Nasa advanced lessons po siya, Miss Elizabeth, no? Ang matatouch po natin is yung messaging campaign. Si Bell, unmute Bell. Sige, Bell, go ahead.
Yes, sorry. It's me again. Basically kasi yung dinidiscuss mo parang these are businesses na gusto na mag-manage or maka-access, tama? Para kasi yung kanina ginagawa mo, no, yung proseso. Pero kasi since na sabi mo nga hindi mo rin matatouch yung mga sales like real estate, yung mga financial advisors because I'm into sales din. Kami lang basically ang mag-run ng ads. Okay, so kaya medyo parang nag-run rin ako ng ads since 2019 or 20. However, nung makita ko nga yung iba mong videos, parang medyo mas nag-back to zero. Ay, ganito pala. So kasi lately, sir, nag-aaral na ako ng ads. Medyo tumataas per messaging ko yung cost. So ngayon, parang mas naintindihan ko. Pero parang mas siguro, you will tackle this topic one of these days. I think yung pagdala ng
Yes,
ads.
po.
Medyo mas parang na-feel ko na mas complicated. Dapat ganito pala. So ngayon, ang question is, halimbawa lang, no, going back, no, since na ako personally, like some other rin yung participants dito, they will run their own ads. For example, nasa business page ako, no, yung business page ko, di ba may makikita doon sa dashboard ng professional dashboard, insights, ad center, create ads. Basically ba, wala pa akong portfolio dito. I need to create pa lang under my business page. We're talking about from my account, diba? My personal Facebook account. Then I created a business page, which is my own business page. And then from there, doon pa lang ako mag-add ng portfolio.
Portfolio, yes. Mag-create ka ng portfolio. Kasi yung nakikita mo yan.
Under what category doon sa when I go to my business page, kung na meron nakalagay doon, professional dashboard, insights, ad center, create ads, boost Instagram post, we have settings, yung sinabi mong meta business na-gets ko na kanina, yung meta business suite is only pertaining to, running ads, scheduled ads, tama?
Magkaiba po yan, yung meta business suite at business portfolio. Ang palagay ko nakikita mo ngayon is meta business suite.
Pero under nung aking page is merong professional dashboard, may insights, may ad center, may create ads. Pero kasi yung kaninang sabi mo under your business page, you have to create this portfolio so that you can make as much as you can. Parang ganun eh. So,
yes.
Matatakal ba natin yung susunod na araw o gusto mo na sagutin yung question ko?
I believe na-tackle natin ngayong session. Separate ko na po yung meta business suite. Pinakita ko na late po ba kayong pumasok? Kasi siya kanina.
Sorry. Pero siguro na rin din ako mag-pinan ako sa ibang sessions mo ng day 1. Pero sige. Further questions na lang on the next few days.
Sige po.
Okay,
Apo,
okay,
apo.
sige.
May recording din po ito, ma'am. Makikita niyo po sa dashboards po ninyo. By the way, guys, you can access the recordings. I'll be sharing my screen. Punta po kayo dito sa ano. I'll be sending you guys the the link. Punta kayo sa forum. And then dito po, you can ask questions, but inside, anong tawag dito? How to access your dashboard. Paki-save po ito, guys, yung link na ibibigay ko sa chat dito sa Zoom. Okay? Paki-save po 'yan, and then doon sa checkout page, manghihingi ng yung website ko ng another payment so that hindi na kayo magbayad nung kasi nagbayad na kayo, guys, 'di ba, nung 499. So use this promo code upon checkout para maging 00 po yung nandoon na makikita po ninyo. So paki-save po itong guys, yung promo code na sinend ko dito sa anong tawag dito sa Zoom, so that you can check the recording, so lahat nung natin. Ito, isesend ko ulit dito yung link how to access your dashboard, and then nandoon po lahat nung question ng step by step. And you can also submit your or create a post dito sa forum so that I can create a video response or a text response. Katulad nito ni Daisy Sirona, ayan, meron siyang mga questions diyan. Si Joseph. So, ayan, nire-respond ko po yan. Nagbibigay ako ng answers po diyan. Okay? So, guys, medyo marami na pong nag-stack up na po yung naming questions sa Zoom. So I would suggest po, guys, you can still ask questions dito sa forum na binigay ko po sa inyo, or you can ask questions doon sa Telegram GC na binigay ko po sa inyo. Okay? So tomorrow, guys, I'll see you at exactly 7:30 p.m. And then tomorrow we will be discussing the different campaign objectives and how the Facebook auction works. Okay? I'm sorry, guys, if I cannot be able to answer all your questions dito sa Zoom. And again, meron tayong GC where you can ask questions, or the forum. Preferably sa forum ninyo ipasok para at least magkaroon kayo ng sagot. It's either video response or text response. Okay? Thank you so much, everyone, and I'll see you tomorrow at exactly 7:30 p.m. Same time. And I'll be sending you guys an email as well para kung hindi nyo na-catch yung anong tawag dito, yung lesson for tonight, there's gonna be a step-by-step guide on how you can be able to access your own dashboard. Maraming salamat, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Same time.